In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in WooCommerce fast and easy. If you're new to WooCommerce or just want a refresher on the basics, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get your products up and running. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for everything WooCommerce-related, and it plays an essential role in managing your store effectively. Once you've successfully logged in, look to the left-hand menu where you can spot Products. Click on this to open up the Product Management page. This is where all your existing products are listed and where you'll be able to add new ones. Now, let's get started by clicking on Add New Product. This will bring you to a fresh, blank page where you will enter the details of the product you want to showcase. At the top of the page, you'll see a small text box. This is where you'll type in the name of your product. Keep it descriptive and attention-grabbing, as this is what will catch the eye of potential customers. Next, let's move on to the product description. Click on the larger text area field labeled Product Description. Here, you'll want to add a detailed overview of what your product is all about. Be sure to include unique features, benefits, and any other essential information that will aim to persuade your visitors to make a purchase. Once you've added your product name and description, it's time to set the pricing. Right underneath the description box, locate the area labeled Regular Price and click to enter your product's standard price. Remember, this is what your customers will see most often, so make sure it reflects your desired profit margins. If you're planning any promotions, there's also an option to set a sale price. By adding a sale price, your product will automatically show up as discounted on your store, which can entice shoppers looking for deals. If that's all set, scroll a bit lower until you find the Product Short Description field. This provides a quick summary that appears alongside your product image. It's a great place to highlight key features and call to action, so make it short but persuasive. Finally, the last step is making your product live for the world to see. On the top right corner of the page, spot the Publish button. Once you're confident everything looks good, click on this button, and there you have it. Your product is now live and ready to be discovered by potential customers looking for what you have to offer. And there you go. That's how you can easily add a product to WooCommerce. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and expand your online store's inventory, helping you reach more customers and boost your sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.